जय जय श्री राधे। ओके ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So whenever this March of Gauranga, so we are traveling around the world, and today we are coming in France, and what's the name of the place? And it's nice, beautiful association, temple also, Jagannath temple. And we are here 7 days, Bhagavad Saptaha. Actually no Bhagavad Saptaha, but we are meeting together, listening Bhagavad Kathamritam, Mahaprabhu Kathamritam, and many Rasik Vaishnavas.
In the house of Narayana.
अरे आपको बात क्यों करते हो, आपसे पूछा ही नहीं। ये पागल है। पागल कौन बोलता है, जो बिना पूछे बोल देता है। पूछे तो मेरे सेंटेंस कंप्लीट। सो या मूड को नष्ट कर दिया ये। So we are very happy, and sometimes we are going to, sometimes we are visiting devotees' house, going to their garden also. What is the devotee name? We went to the Paramananda Prabhu's garden. Very nice, very nice. But every year when we used to go, taking some cherries and something, but this time is cherries very small coming. Maybe after 7 days we will go again. We will go and check cherries coming.
Starting.
Pardon?
He said yesterday they are coming now.
Coming, starting. Very nice. And so we went also devotee's house in Basanti Didi and Jagadish Prabhu house. Very nice. I give claps. Nice prasadam also. Kirtan, Hari Katha. Now we have come in the house of Narayani Didi and his little son. What is his name? Tarun Krishna Prabhu. Good or no? Nice. Actually, why I am saying this? Mahaprabhu, when he was staying in Jagannath Puri, sometimes devotees they also called in their house. Mahaprabhu used to go their house and doing Nam Sankirtan, Hari Katha and taking prasad. These things also described in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And especially 4 months, devotees they are staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri and Chaturmasya. And that time every day the devotees they call to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please come my house and take prasad, these things. And every day they invite nimantran. Every day Mahaprabhu is going to there. And devotees also bringing some Jagannath prasad in their house and feeding. And very nice, beautiful this Leela, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's. When Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri, and especially 4 months, and every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu going to one house, one house. Nam Sankirtan and Harikatha and Mahaprasad. Bhakta Grihe Prabhu Kare Nam Sankirtan. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day used to go to house and Nam Sankirtan. That's it. So I remember this, any devotee just inspired me, I want to go to your house. Come. And also the same mood of Gurudev also. When Gurudev, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami in Mathura, and in the beginning, Brajavasi, they have not so much attached with Gurudev. Ladies, they coming, but their husband and gents little bit also are. Distance. So they are asking Gurudev, please come in my house. They are thinking only Gurudev will go, or maybe 1 or 2 servants will go. But when Gurudev is coming, then 10 to 15 devotees, all they are coming in their house. Understand? So I remember this. Gurudev also is in the beginning, 82, 81, something in the beginning, in Mathura preaching. That time Mathura not so and favorable of devotees, not favorable Brajavasi. Mostly they also the devotee of impartially, there is Sarananda temple, you know, there is a Krishna Balaram temple. Have you seen or not? Just behind of our Mathura temple, that temple name is called Krishna Balaram temple. Actually that is called impartialist and Advaitavadi. Their Guru's name is Sarananda, impartialist. So that time Mathura, most of the people, they also involved with Sarananda's impartialist. So, but Gurudev, sometimes he used to go the house of Brajavasis by force. They say, no, Gurudev, don't come. Hey, I will come. Sometimes they are saying, Brother Guru, my husband is not good, my neighbors is not good. So, but Gurudev, just morning walk and going to their house. If sadhu is coming by force, what to do? So that time they also understand, quickly little bit prepare some prasad or food, that their things. Understand? I remember these things of the Gurudev. So actually this is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. Once Advaita Acharya, he told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please come in my house. Then Advaita Acharya is thinking, if many devotees will come, I cannot properly serve to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So for this regard, Advaita Acharya is thinking what to do, but Mahaprabhu where is going? All devotees are also for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Without what is called? Giving invitation or not. All they are coming. So, but Advaita Acharya is thinking, I will serve to only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Krishna arranged this way. Mahaprabhu when start to go, when Mahaprabhu arrived, that big storm came. All devotees are thinking, coming. No one come. Understand this way? In this way, Advaita Acharya, he also served to Lord Chaitanya. There are many things are described in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Many Leelas is there. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu staying in, going in the house, doing Nam Sankirtan. Bhakta Vancha Purna Kare Gaura Rai. Gaura, understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fulfill all the desires of devotee. You look at Bhakta Vancha Purna Kare. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu calling all the devotees. come with me. Sometimes they don't know his house is not, his house is very small, maybe not. When Mahaprabhu told, "Chal, come with me." And the house is not small. Need is what? Heart is big. If heart is big, everyone can sit. Or if heart is not big, how possible to sit? Understand? In the same way, Gaura Lila is very sweet also. Sometimes Mahaprabhu by force taking all the devotees. Understand? Especially Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramanda, actually all these lines, Jagannath Puri, 4 months, Chaturmas. Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, all they are followed to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Doing Nam Sankirtan, glorify the devotees also. Mostly, Gaurasundar Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified about devotee. Mahaprabhu saying, look, this is Raya Ramananda, he is Rasik Vaishnava. And so no one can compare with him. Raya Natak are Sarupir Gan. Raya Ramananda, he wrote one, what is called? Grantha. There is called Jagannath Vallabh Natakam. So saying Raya Natak are Sarupir Gan. Sarup Damodar is the best Kirtanya. Dancing, singing very nice. Because Sarup Damodar, he knows the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going? Sarup Damodar also with him. Raya Ramananda, Sarup Damodar. Always with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaurasundar. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri, Nam Sankirtan. Dine Prabhu Bhakta Sange Kare Nam Sankirtan. And in the daytime, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing Nam Sankirtan with the devotees. And Ratri Kale Prabhu Biraha Bhav. In the night time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation, crying and crying and crying. This way. Mahaprabhu is and saying in Gambhira. That time, only Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda pacified to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gauranath, sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what is called? Mukha ghiste hain. Scratched his face against the wall. This way. And sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu scratching the floor with his nail fingers. And so much blood coming from his mouth, from his finger. Sarup Damodar told Prabhu, what you are doing? Mahaprabhu told, Sarup, why Krishna is, where is Krishna? Why is he hiding? So I am searching. Why is he hiding? Here. Then Sarup Damodar told Prabhu, are Krishna in your heart? Then Mahaprabhu tried to open his heart. Why is he hiding? I want to meet with him. Same Dibba transcendental madness of Srimati Radhika. Radha Vira. Dibba Unmadini Srimati Radhika. Kaha Maur Prananath Murali Vadan Kaha Jaun Kaha Paun Brajendra Nandan. Mahaprabhu feeling this way. Where is my beloved Krishna? Where I will go? How can I meet? Cock, Sikhi Pucha Cock in slogan. Sikhi Pucha, Cock Nanda Kula Chandrama. Where is Sikhi Pucha Krishna? Krishna who holds the peacock feather on his head. Where is he? So I want to meet. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, especially in night time, feeling pang of separation from Krishna, crying day and night. Kaha Mohr Prananath Murali Vadan Kaha Jaun Kaha Paun Brajendra Nandan. Mahaprabhu's 3 stages. One is called Bhajya Dasha. Bhajya Dasha, understand? External consciousness. They are Bhajya Dasa. And in his external consciousness, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sometimes doing Nam Sankirtan with a devotee. Bhajya Dasa Bhakta Sanghe Kare Nam Sankirtan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing Nam Sankirtan with his devotee. This is called external consciousness, Bhajya Dasa. Ardha Bhajya Dasa, half consciousness and half unconscious. There is Ardha Bhajya Dasa. In his half Ardha Bhajya Dasa, sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks himself, am I Chaitanya? He is asking himself, who am I? Sometimes he also speaks, oh, today I went Radha Kunda. Kunde tere basi dekhi Krishna Jal Vihar. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Mahaprabhu told, today I went Radha Kunda and I was sitting on the bank of Radha Kunda and I noticed how Krishna, he is playing with the gopis and who water sporting in Radha Kunda. This mode. Kunde tere basi dekhi Krishna Jal Vihar. Jal Vihar is not there. Water sporting. This thing. Mahaprabhu did. Sometimes saying, Hey Sarvadnanda Raya Ramananda, today I went this place, Vrindavan, they did things. How Krishna did Raslila with the gopis. This mood. Because this is called the Ardha Bhajya Dasa. That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he, what is called? अपने भाव को विभक्त करते हैं. He is showing his own mood. Understand? Sometimes devotee understand, sometimes not. But Sarup Damodar, he realized. अकेला स्वरूप जाने महाप्रभु हृदय. Only Sarup Damodar, he knows the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So that time all the devotees asked to Sarup Damodar, what Mahaprabhu is saying. Because when Mahaprabhu told that katha is not something in sequence, and some this katha. Sometimes devotee they ask to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sometimes devotee ask to Sarup Damodar. Why Mahaprabhu saying this katha? What is the significance? Then Sarup Damodar, he explained everything. And especially Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami, he is called, belongs to Sarup. So for this called Saruper Raghu. What did he say? Sarup. When Raghunath Das Goswami came in Jagannath Puri, then Mahaprabhu hold his hand and offer to the hand of Sarup Damodar. For this regard, everybody call him Sarupe Raghu. Raghunath Das belongs to Sarup Damodar. Because Lord Chaitanya, if Raghunath Das Goswami, he left his house and he was staying, he was thinking, I will stay with Mahaprabhu, Gaur Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But in Gambhira, only small place, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only he is staying. So where you will stay? Because Raghunath Das Goswami has so much attachment with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Understand? You read Raghunath Das Goswami's life history. So Raghunath Das Goswami, when he came, Mahaprabhu realized his heart. Oh, Raghunath, he wants to stay with me. But I am staying in Gambhira, a small place. Understand? So how possible you will stay? So for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu hold the hand of Raghunath Das Goswami, offer to Sarup Damodar. So for this regard, Sarup Damodar, he was staying Satasam Ashram. If you go Jagannath Puri and one this place, that place is called Satasam. There is Satasam Tilai there. Understand? 7 rishis places that is called Saptarishi place. Satasan Tira. What do you say? Have you been Jagannath Puri or not? Huh? You do parikrama? You go there on the place. Huh? Very nice place in there. Different. And that place also, Sarup Damodar was staying. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he was staying with Sarup Damodar. In that place. Now you go that place also, see. Very nice, beautiful place. Now it's small the place. Actually, all the place also come with the Grihastha people, they are taking care or something. Very nice, beautiful place is there. So Sarup Damodar, when he used to return back in his place, that means night time, Sarup Damodar, he served to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu feeling pang of separation, that time Sarup Damodar and especially Rayananda pacified to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Sarup Damodar returned back his own place and taking rest night time, that time Raghunath Das Goswami, he asked to Lord Sarup Damodar, what is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? What did he say? Every day Raghunath Das Goswami asked to Sarup Damodar. Understand? So just I coming back, the Mahaprabhu's 3 stages. One is called Bhajya Dasha, Ardha Bhajya Dasha, and another is called Antar Dasha. Antar Dasha is completely what? Unconsciousness. This thing. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's form is as like sometimes tortoise. Kuchwa ke bhanti ho jata. Sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body become very long, and all his joints is also dislocated. And sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu making sound, go. He cannot sound. Jagannath, ja, ga. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came out from Gambhira to where the Jagannath Prasad, they are the rest of Prasad they are throwing, and the one also on a drain, sometimes Mahaprabhu also coming in there. And then cows, sometimes they are here and there. Sometimes the cows also licking the body of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is Antardasha Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And at that time he did not speak anything also. And just completely keep up silent. Once Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanting holy names, day and night chanting holy names. Then Mahaprabhu's servant, Govinda became very angry with Sarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda. Why? Because Sarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda coming, and they also recited some slokas, and Mahaprabhu's viraha, separation also even increased. So for this regard, and Govinda become very angry with Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda. Why you are coming every day? Let him to take rest. Because you are coming and reciting some slokas, and Mahaprabhu is crying and crying. But without Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda, Mahaprabhu is not happy. So only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanting holy Nam Sankirtan. Then late night Sarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda, they return back their home, maybe 1 AM or 1:30. Back. Then Mahaprabhu inside, and Govinda is thinking, Mahaprabhu take rest. So for this regard, he locks the door. Because Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda, they pray again early in the morning. 4:30 they are coming, but 4 o'clock come. So for this regard, he locked the door. Mahaprabhu. Then 4:30 again, every day they are coming. Where is Sarvadama Rai Ramananda? Then asked to Govinda, hey Govinda, how is Mahaprabhu? Now Mahaprabhu is now taking rest. Don't disturb to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Look at that. Then they are sitting there. Mahaprabhu now 4:30. Mahaprabhu 4:30 cannot sleep. But no sound is not coming from and Gambhira. Understand? Then Mahaprabhu told, what is called? Sarup Damodar, he told, Are you open the door? See what the Mahaprabhu is doing. But no, Mahaprabhu whole night he was chanting holy names. Now he is taking rest. Don't disturb to Lord Chaitanya. In the 5 o'clock. Now 5 a.m. Then are you open the door? Then what is called? Govinda, he opened the door. And opened the door. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu not inside in Gambhira. Where this search, where is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? All devotees felt pang of separation of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Look this thing. Where is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Gaur Sundara. Then all they gave the informed to King Prataprudra. Then King Prataprudra sent all his soldiers, armies to search Hari Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but they could not find out. All devotees, they felt pang of separation. Maybe Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this way departed from the material. All they are crying and crying. But Sarup Damodar, I am searching. Sarup Damodar, he was going on the beach, walking. Then Sarup Damodar, he saw one fisherman is coming. Understand? Fisherman, understand? Coming. And his Sarup Damodar, he noticed so many static symptoms in his body. He chanted, Krish, 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 Krish. And then Sarup Damodar, he realized, must be this person met with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Otherwise this prem cannot manifest in his heart. Then Sarup Damodar asked, where are you going? What happened? Well, I will not tell to you. Well, what happened? Tell me. One ghost possesses my body. How do you know? Well, every night I used to come to catching the fish with my net. But I know here is many ghosts. For this regard, I chant Nisingha mantra. If you chant Nisingha mantra, then ghost will not come in front of you. So for this regard, every night I also chant Nisingha mantra and coming to here to catching the fish. So tonight I also and catching the fish, and in my net one big fish has come. Then I am very happy. But then when I pulled out the net on the shore, that is not the fish. There is one dead body there. Then I think, oh my God. If I touch the dead body, then the ghost will come with me. But anyhow, I pulled out the net. Then little bit touch the net and the ghost. Then ghost possesses my body. And my body is shaking. And I am not doing anything. So now I am going to snake charm. What is called? Ghost charmer. How to remove the ghost from my body? Exorcist. Okay. That is ghost charmer.
Takes out the ghost.
Okay, you understand. Then Sarup Damodar realized Actually, this is not go to Mahaprabhu. He touched the body of Mahaprabhu. Then he asked, where is your net and where is the dead body? Well, I don't want to go there. You could look at the far away. If I go again, the ghost pursue my body. Then Sarvabhauma Damodar told, okay, I remove the ghost from your body. And he also slapped 3 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. 3 times, Now ghost has gone. Hare, please tell me where is that your net and the dead body? Well, okay, I will not again go there. Then Sarvabhauma Damodar, he came and he saw, actually this is not the ghost, not dead body. What is that? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his body is what? Long body. And his eyes completely what? Upside down. Understand? And also doing the, then Sarvabhauma Damodar, he doing Nam Sankirtan around the body of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Hariharaye Nama Krishna Jadavaya Nama Jadavaya Madhavaya Kesavaya Nama Gopala Govinda Ram Sajnad Sudam Giridhari Gopinath Hariharaye Nama Krishna Jadavaya Madhavaya doing Nam Sankirtan. Then in the mind many devotees came doing Nam Sankirtan. Then slowly Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back his consciousness. Then Sarvabhauma Damodar asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, why have you come here? What happened? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I don't know. Night time, when chanting holy names, then I think I have to go Vrindavan. So I came out from Gambhira and I, crossed the big wall of Gambhira. That time the Kashmir place is there. Big also a wall. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I came. And I came in that place, and there means this is Jamuna. Samudra dekhi Prabhu Jamuna hoila Brahm. Mahaprabhu thinking this is Jamuna. Then I jumped in the water. Then I don't know what happened. Actually, this is water. Floating in the water and coming this place. Very nice. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, something his Mahaprabhu, he told his own realization to Sarvabhauma Damodar. Today I went this place, this place. Mahaprabhu is like this. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying in Gambhira, so many Leelas is there. Mostly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed Srimati Radhika's transcendental madness. Radhikar भाव जैसे उद्धव दर्शने सही मत रहे प्रभु रात्रि दिने. Day and night Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed same Srimati Radhika's transcendental madness. Viraun Mahadini Srimati Radhika. This Mahaprabhu Leela is. So Mahaprabhu is like this. Sometimes, why I am saying, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, daytime Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing Nam Sankirtan, the devotee. Bhakta Sange kare Nam Sankirtan. And at night time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's transcendental madness come. That is called Dibbonmad. Doing Nam Sankirtan. So Mahaprabhu, sometimes Mahaprabhu, he used to go and what is called Jagannath Vallabh Batika. Very nice, beautiful place. There are very many also trees are there. Fruits, flowers are there. Mahaprabhu dancing, singing. Then Sarvabhauma Damodar, he recited many verses. Same mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gopi Geet, sometimes Raslila Katha event. And in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri. How many years? Mahaprabhu's life is what? He was staying in 48 years. 24 years is called Grahastha Jivan, and 24 years is called renounced Lord's life, Sannyas Jivan. But in his 24 years sannyas life, 6 years he was traveling here, and that is called Gatagati. Gatagati, sometimes he traveled going South India, sometimes he go to Vrindavan. In this way, that is called Gatagati, sometimes traveling. Or 12 years, actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued staying in Jagannath Puri, and 18th years. 6 years he was traveling here and there. Or 18th years he was staying, continuing Jagannath Puri. But in these 18th years, last 12 years, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was absorbed in Viraha, same what is called Srimati Radhika's mode, Viraha mode, day and night crying and crying. Bolo Sachinandan Gaur Hari ki Jai Jai Shri. Now 9:30, you have to take prasad. Narayani Devi, she is very generous. She prepared many kinds of prasad for you also. You understand? Narayani means is what? Nara Ayanam iti Narayan. And all the living entities taking shelter whose feet is called Narayan. Nara Ayanam iti Narayan. Nara means all the living entities. Nara. Ayan means shelter. Understand? In masculine gender Narayan, and his consort that is called Narayani, and that is called Srimati Radhika. Mul Narayani, origin Narayan, that is called Krishna. In the same way, origin Narayani, that is called Srimati Radhika. Understand? So don't you think Narayani means Lakshmi? Sarva Lakshmi Srimati Radhika. Understand? Every root takes shelter, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Jai Jai Sri. Bolo Radha Rani ki, Mahaprasad ki. He is also nice baby. What is his name? Tarun Krishna Prabhu. Hari Tarun Krishna, taking rest, sleeping. Nice one. And now take prasad. Then again our next program in our hall, 10:30 Kirtan and Harikatha. And Kirtan, Harikatha, again midday prasad also. Good or not? Mahaprasad, Harikatha, Mahaprasad. Okay, now take Mahaprasad ki. They translate French or not? You forgot.
There was a translation in French.
Everybody understand?
They did the back for those who need it.
Who has need, they can translate. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari, Bolo Bhakta Sangha ki jai. Nice or not? Here all devotees here. Ki jai. And now take prasad. Jahan is called breakfast prasadam. Then again kirtan is there. Now, otherwise I feel too late. Jai. He brought fruits? Who brought fruits?